sir. My name is Janet E. Carbajosa. I am 46 years old. I am married, have two kids. My eldest son is 21 years old and my youngest son is 11 years old. I've been working in Singapore for 8 years with two employers, and I've been working in Hong Kong 6 years and I have 3 employers there. My work experience is housekeeping, cooking, marketing, taking care of the child, sending to school, uh, taking care of the baby, toddlers, elderly, and taking care of the pet. My I am honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and perseverance to finish my contract. I prefer to serve Chinese family. That's it. Thank you.